Hello, I am Tova Abelman. I'm a therapist and provisional registered drama therapist, and I work with couples of all kinds throughout California. So if you are married, dating, cohabitating, LGBTQIA2S+, monogamous or non-monogamous, consider this your invitation to a free online workshop that I will be facilitating on October 22nd from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. called Three Habits of Deeply Connected Couples. So in just 1 hour, you will discover three simple, powerful habits to deepen your connection, boost communication, and bring more play and intimacy into your everyday life. Together, we will explore evidence based tools and playful practices that make strengthening your relationship feel really natural and doable because at the end of the day, strong relationships, they don't just happen. They're really built with care, curiosity, and practice. So be sure to join me with your partner or partners and really show up for your relationship before issues arise. Be sure to sign up now to reserve your spot.